Yeah, that's a smiley. So welcome dear students with a smile. So when we have only two linear equations, it's really easy to solve. But when we get three linear equations, it becomes a bit lengthy to solve and hence irritating, right? Hence the need for this method, which is actually known as Cramer's rule. And the only calculation in this method is finding determinant of few matrices. So hence the name determinant technique or matrix method to solve three linear equations. So let's get into this method. Just three simple steps are there. Keep in mind. Step number one is okay. So let this be our three linear equations with unknowns x, y, and z. So step number one is immediately write these equations in its matrix form. And how do we do that? First take the constant parts, that is only number terms, into the right hand side. Only then start writing into matrix form. So here I have already taken them into right hand side, the constants. So let's write minus 5 minus 6 minus 5, minus 5 minus 6 minus 5, 0 1 minus 1, 0 1 minus 1, 9 0 minus 5, 9 0 minus 5, and the unknowns x y z. And the RHS is 13 13 75, 13 13 75. Now we need to find determinant of this main matrix. Let it be D. Step 1 completes. Now step 2 is for finding the value of x, we need another matrix which is known as x matrix. Let us call it x matrix. Now how do we form this matrix? It's easy. Just replace the x column with RHS value. So I have shown here separately with green ink. And the other two columns, write them as they are. Similarly, the y matrix. Replace y column with the RHS values. Y column I have replaced with RHS values, and the other two columns write them as they are. Similarly, Z matrix. And now find the determinants of these three matrices, which are dx, dy, and dz. They are determinants of these matrices. Step 2 finishes here. Now step 3 is just divide the values to get the value of x. Do dx by d. Similarly for value of y and z. That's it, the method ends there. So I have briefly written these three steps. Just pause the video and take them down. And I'm assuming that you guys know how to find determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. If you don't, then please do comment. I'll make another video for the same. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.